What if you could create a stunning PowerPoint presentation in just one click? Forget hours of formatting and designing. Today, I'm showing you how I can do it all for you, instantly. Stay with me, because these free tools will blow your mind. In this video, we'll look at 3 powerful AI tools that can generate presentations from simple input: Gamma, AI PPT, and SlideSpeak. Let's dive in and see which one fits your needs. First up is Gamma. Just type your topic. For example, artificial intelligence in daily life. And Gamma instantly generates clean, modern slides, complete with design, structure, and even suggested talking points. You can edit the style, add images, and export to PowerPoint or PDF. Gamma is fast, free, and perfect for those who want design-ready slides in seconds. Next is AI PPT. What's cool about AI PPT is that you can paste a web link, upload a document, or even use a spreadsheet, and it automatically builds slides with key points, charts, and summaries. Great for business reports, student projects, or quick meeting decks. Here, I'm uploading a sample document, and within seconds, AI PPT gives me a structured, editable deck. Super useful if you want to convert raw info into a presentation fast. Finally, SlideSpeak. This tool uses ChatGPT to turn text, PDF, or Word files into presentations. It's simple. Just upload your file, and SlideSpeak handles the rest, including slide titles, bullets, and summaries. So, which one should you choose? Gamma is best for beautiful design in seconds. AI PPT shines for transforming detailed documents or data into slides. And SlideSpeak is ideal if you want ChatGPT-style summaries in your presentation. Ready to let AI do your slide work? Give these tools a try. Links are in the description. And if you want more AI tools to make your daily life easier, hit subscribe and join me at Day2Day AI for new videos every week.